Alright, little miss, check it out from Smushy Mushy. They sent out all these awesome surprises. Smushy Mushy Besties blind bags. Whoa, Smushy Mushy Bentos. Look at that. Sassy Fussy Fox. Avocado. Oh man, Besties coming soon. That's what this is. And then the Bentos, which is right there. And then also these Do-Dat Donuts comes in a donut box. That's pretty cool. So there's 4 of these to open up, and these are series 2. Wow, this is gonna be cool. Do you like squishies?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's open these squishies right now. All right, let's start with a blind bag. All right, open that up. Let's see who it's gonna be.
We got 2.
It's like a sugar cube, right?
Yeah.
Let's see how squishy it is. Is it nice and squishy? Yeah, it is nice and squishy. Let's see if it smells. Oh, smell it. Oh, does it smell good? So there's a squishy sugar cube, right? Okay, open up another one. Let's see what the next one is. It's
a toast.
Yeah, it looks like toast with some jelly on it, right?
Yeah.
Squishy, squishy. Smell it. What's it smell like? Let's smell it. Smell it. You want to smell it too? Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, open the last one. Let's see here. What's this one gonna be? Oh, it's like a little cupcake, right?
It's a
squishy cookie or something. Squishy, squishy. Oh, that one smells good too. Delicious. Okay, let's open one of these bottles now. Smushy Mushy Do-Dat Donuts. And it's series 2, new and scented. So look inside. Smushy pet, a sticker, mini bottle, smushy bottle, name tag, and a mystery bestie. Okay, all right, open that one up. And let's see what this one's gonna be. Oh, look at that bottle. All right, now does it twist off?
Whoa, we got a bottle.
Yeah, look at that little tiny bottle. It's got like a little necklace inside. I wonder if that comes out. Okay, pull that out.
We got a cow.
It is a cow. Look at this cow. Squish. Oh, look at this cow. It's nice and slow squishy, isn't it?
What's the name?
It's Carrie Cow and Mitzi Milk. Ooh, it says it's rare. Oh boy. This is a rare cow because it's Carrie Cow. So here is the checklist right here. Shelly Chickie and Peggy Eggy. Kyla Koala. Labella Lamb. All kinds of them. But we got a rare one. Wow. So
look, all of them are in there.
And look who's in here. Who's in here? We gotta open this. Okay, pull that out of there. That must be the Mitzi Milk, right?
Yeah.
Carrie Cow and Mitzi Milk, and we got a rare one right away. Oh, look at that. Mitzi Milk. Carrie Cow.
We got a sticker.
Yeah, we got a sticker even. Cool. And then this bottle right here too, right? And this top even comes off this bottle and has these 2 chains in here that you can hook up to your Smushy Mushy, right? Alright, let's open another one up.
I wonder what we're gonna get. It looks like a...
It's a chick. It's Shelly Chickie. Twist it off of there.
We got a yellow bottle.
Yeah, a yellow bottle with the 2 chains. And whoa. Shelly Chickie. Okay, Shelly Chickie. Ultra rare. Did you see that this is ultra rare?
Oh my.
Yeah, look at that right there. There's the checklist. Ultra rare Shelly Chickie and Carrie Cow is rare. Look at that. We got 2 of them. Wow.
I hope we get more rares.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, open up this one. Okay, and here's Peggy Eggy. She's like an egg, isn't she?
Yeah.
She's like an egg that you eat in the morning, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Very cool. All right, and then you've got your sticker and your name tag. All right, look at all these cool Smooshy Mushies. All right, let's open up these other ones. Okay, which one are you gonna open next? A chocolatey one?
Yeah, I like
Looks like a chocolatey one, right?
My favorite. My favorite is chocolate.
Twist, twist, twist.
We got pink button.
There's the pink bottle.
We got a lamb.
It's a lamb? That's La Bella Lamb and Do-Dat Donut. Squeeze. Squeeze. Very cool. La Bella Lamb.
What? We gotta pick it.
Oh, took a bite out of it. Somebody took a bite out of that donut.
Yeah.
Squishy. Squishy. Haha, very cool. Okay, and then you probably got a name tag and a sticker in there too, right? Yeah. Alright, very cool. Okay. Alright, let's open up this last one. Looks like vanilla or something, right?
Yeah.
Is it a vanilla donut?
I think so.
Okay, let's see.
Another pink
bottle.
bottle.
Okay. Who's that one? Oh, it's Bela Bear
Yeah.
and Kayla Cake. So there is Bela Bear. Squish. Just go slowly rises up. Bela Bear. Okay, and then here is the checklist, the Smushy Mushy Bentos checklist. So we got Sassy Fussy Fox with Marlowe Avocado and Chelsea Churro. There's also Gabby Gooey Raccoon, Pepper O'Neill Pizza, and Rain and Raspberry Macaron. And then Yummy Peppy Pup, Penelope Pickle, and Callie Cake. That's hard to say really fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then there's also the Besties from Series 1. And then what's really cool is on the back is it says, find your Smooshy Mushy name. So here are the letters. So this is the name that you use for your first letter of your real name. And then here are the words for the first letter of your last name. Okay, so pretty cool to use those. Your name could be Sugary Burger, or Honey Bubbles, or Gooey Candy Pop, or Cutie Cupcake. Ha, all kinds of cool different ones. Alright, so what do you think of these Smooshy Mushies? You like them?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. They're really cool. They squish really good, and they smell really good too, don't they?
And also,
we can have a confetti party, right? So thanks a lot to Smushy Mushy for sending these out. They're really super cute and super squishy, that's for sure. Plus, check it out, we got a rare Carry Cow. And who else did we get? We got a ultra rare Shelly Chickie and Peggy Eggy. So what do you think of that? That's pretty cool. Alright, well, tell everybody bye.
bye.
Hey there, I hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe and check out the new Little Miss Show and Tell Toys channel for all kinds of videos on My Little Pony, Shimmer and Shine, Disney Princesses, Surprise Eggs, and much, much more. See you over there.